This is the video to learn how to backup files to OneDrive on Windows 10 and 11. This method will work in both. Open the settings. So here you need to find out the backup. Storage, advanced storage settings. Backup options. Click here. And select the OneDrive folder. In some case, it will ask the signing process to backup your file to OneDrive. So select your Microsoft account, then setup syncing. So complete the signing process, and this way you can backup your files to OneDrive. Thanks for watching.